How to calculate quantity of steel, column, and footing in kilograms. I have a 6-story building. Here is the AutoCAD file, the column from ground, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth floor. I have 6D20 and 2D16 from ground to fourth floor, and I have 6D16 from fifth to sixth floor. As you can see from the AutoCAD file, let's start by determining total weight in rebar reinforcement in one column. So bar weight in kilogram per meter is given by the following formula. That is D squared, diameter squared over 162 kilogram per meter. So for D20, it will be 2.469 kilogram per meter. For D16, it will be 1.58 kilogram per meter. Column has 6D20 01 and 2D16 01 from ground to fourth floor, and 6D16 in the fifth and sixth floor. So weight will be given by number of pieces per floor multiplied by weight in kilogram per meter multiplied by cutting length. That is the weight to be determined. So the cutting length for starter bar is usually 4 meters. So the starter bar is the foundation level, and from ground floor to sixth floor, the cutting length is 0.6 meter. So let's start at starter level or ground foundation level. T20 will have 59.3 kilogram. T16 will have 37.9 kilogram. For ground floor upwards, weight will be given by number of floors times number of pieces times weight kilogram per meter times cutting length. So T20 will have 267 kgs. T16 will have 56.9 kgs. Because you are substituting into that formula, you get 5 floor multiplied by 6 multiplied by weight in kilogram per meter, that is 2.47 for T20 multiplied by cutting length, that is 3.6. Same thing for T16. Now from 5th to 6th floor, you have 2 floors multiplied by 6 pieces multiplied by 1.58 multiplied by cutting length. So you get the total summation as seen in the screen. So as in 15 columns, you get 18 tons and 9 tons for T20 and T16 respectively. Thank you.